Hello, welcome guys. Weekly Forex forecast 23rd November to 27th November 2020. And risk warning, Forex is a leverage trading, always risks involved in this market, and also the permission of your council of resistance. Those are new, first subscribe our channel and click on bell button for further update. Weekly lesson, and this week lesson, you never know what kind of server market present to you. Your objective should be to find opportunity where risk reward ratio is best. I again repeat, you never know what kind of setup market will present to you. Your objective should be to find opportunity where risk reward ratio is best. It means the entry where you take the entry. So we take an entry where the risk reward ratio is best, where we find minimum rest and minimum risks and maximum profit. This is our entry point, and this is the objective of this week lesson. And this video is educational purpose only. Following pair we will discuss: US index, crude, gold, euro USD, GBP USD, euro GBP, GBP JPY, euro JPY, US CAD, US 500 and others. And remember, this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that it's going for buy yourself. And about our Godfather analysis method statement, it's a arithmetical and geometric analysis bench of the it's the own created analysis that depend on chart, square, circle, and triangular, and the part of flat geometric and scroll to shape and mixture of harmonic pattern, trend analysis, wave chart pattern, and this is the format and the shape we use in the and we have created some own formula for our analysis. Okay, let's start our first pair. Is US index, and the US index we last week we saw the movement is sideways, and look at this. We find this movement around this shape, so and try to break 50 moving average and yet to cross this 50 moving average. So we will find next week a correction or toward 50 moving average and retracement to and retest around 90 or 91 level. So this level our next week target, the price might fall around this level. And the buyer do not buy before it cross 15 moving average. This is the buy area for buyers, and we do not find any excuse for dollar to gain more. Basically dollar is weaker than other currencies, so index also falling, US baskets also falling, and US stocks also um, some gain we find the start of the week with the vaccine news, but at the end of the week we find a drop in the stocks market. So US index we may find a retest or revisit level about 90 or 90 level. Oil, and it creates triple bottom now, article drop now, so we may find a rejection from there too, because The vaccine hope is yet to be fulfilled and 100%, and the momentum is creating by vaccine is now over, and also the COVID case increase in Europe zone. So we will wait for a drop and cross 50 moving average for a sell towards 39 or 37 level, to 38 level, then we can buy from there. Otherwise, we are not seller of crude. We wait for fall, then we can buy, because it's an investment. If you buy this level, it's not the wise decision. We will try to buy low and sell high level. So we do not sell crude. We wait for a fall, and then we take buy from there and hold 2 or 3 months. Then we will reach around $50 per barrel. So our target is to keep hold uh, our position, where we buy from, and we buy from 33 level and 36 level. So we keep hold this position for a 2 or 3 months. Well, gold structure is changed. It's a side level. We find a sideway market and not in a range. Last week we see around 1886 to 1850, and 50 area support again. This could not break. Look at that zone, 50 level, this level, and it could not break, and very much depend on this break level. Then we can find a below level. So if it could break and a daily candle below 1850, then our next target is around 1822. And if vaccine works, then we find a downshift, and this COVID cases are increased in Europe zone, so we may find a bullish setup. So we are not buying before it cross 50 moving average. If it cross it a full body, then we will, our first target is 1898, then for our next target is around 1960 level for next week, and we not sell before it fully bearish, before it cross 1850, a full body of a candle. Well, Euro USD is going last week around 80 or 90 pips, and look like it's a sideways market. Look at that. Just a drop, then it's a sideways. It's a 40, 50, 60 or 70, 80 pips moves here. So we do not find a big movement there. But we can say yet it's bullish price, because yet to cross 50 moving average and uh, try to beat 18 level. So we expect our TP1 to 1.20 for next week and 1.21. So bulls and bear market, so move this way to our TP2. And if the 50 moving average, the price is clear, the 50 moving average and 200 average, then we can say and beat this lower low and this zone and enter my channel 2, then we will sell big. Otherwise we will keep wait to, the seller have to wait to cross 50 moving average and buy big after entering this channel 2, and buyer keep buying before it cross 50 moving average and 200 moving average. So we may find again a rejection from 50 moving average, and if we break 50 moving average price, then we will keep wait for 200 moving average. Let's see GBP USD setting. Well, GBP USD is this pair also a bullish. We find a bullish movement, and the price is get a rejection from 50 moving average in two times. Look at that this position around 1.31 and 1.32 levels. So our next target is to our TP around 1338 level and 1.35 level for next week and rest of the month. So as like Euro USD, we will wait for sell to cross 50 moving average and this lower low for bearish, um, for and also enter our channel 3, and before that we will not sell this pair. We will buy this, continue our GBP USD. Well guys, I take a break, wait for 5 minutes. Well, USD JPY, and our target is D for next week, but we do not find the bullish confirm because the buy volume is not increasing and the sell volume is increasing and buy volume is decreasing. So also the 50 moving average and 200 moving average is far away from the price, and it do not show the bullishness, but we expect our D level for next week we will not sell this pair USD JPY. We will wait for our buy setup. So USD JPY, keep wait for buy setup. Do not we do not sell level, this level. If it fall, then it will fall maybe one or uh, this lower low, if 102 level. But at present, the present price we could not sell from there. We will wait for our buy setup. Well, AUD USD, it's our target for sell, and we will keep a sell setup if it cross 50 moving this moving average, 15 moving average, and 0.7 to 700 break this price level and beat this lower low. So we will wait for cross 15 moving average for a sell, and our target is next level to 71 or 70 level. And buyers keep buy if it reject from 50 moving average to around 74 or 75 level. But we expect to drop this pair around 200 moving average level, 71 level. So we will keep wait for next week to market open and give our setup for sellers. Buyers already buying and have a good profit, but seller need to have crossed this 50 moving average for a big sell. Well, USD CAD is give our sell setup. Price is crossing in touch the C level, so now our expect to D level, then we can buy big from there. And also price not clearly cross 50 moving average. If price open this level and keep around this 50 level average, then we will buy from there. And to our target level is 1.33 and even 1.35 level. And if we find a drops, then we will buy big. So USD CAD is my plan is to if we find a drop level around this, then we can buy big from there around 129 level or 130 level. We will buy big. USD safe is a nice position because 250 moving average near the price, so it's a nice place for buy or sell. And though we expect US baskets and US index is falling, also dollar is weakened, so we expect to sell around this level. And if it cross 250 above, then we will buy, otherwise we will do not buy it. If it cross this 200 moving average and it's also the below of the price, so we'll keep wait for buy setup. And sellers are we are continue sell from there or C level, so we wait for, and it's a most ideal market, so it's a not buy or sell position. For we wait for a setup, then we will update in our channel. Well, New Zealand USD, and it's complete the D level and now in the C level touch and gained a triple drop. So we expect a drop around 2 and 300 pips this pair, but at first it need to cross 50 moving average and then 200 moving average and break my channel this level, then we will expect a big drop. So our first target to correction up, then we may find a down or uh, rejection from 50 moving average again for our buy setup. Buyers are control. If you hit this 50 moving average and rejection, then you will buy. If volume and RSI support, then you will buy. And sellers keep waiting to cross this 200 moving average, 50 moving average for sell. And also you see the volume of sell if increasing, then you will sell from there. Otherwise it's a bullish, so we will wait for our sell setup and buy. We are buying from bottom, so and close half, almost take 300-400 pips. So we'll wait for this uh, for selling. We are not buying from there. Maybe we expect a short buy from if it reject from the 15 moving average, but in this level we are not buying this price. We will wait for our sell setup. Well, Euro New Zealand, we expect a buy level around this level, because if 50 moving average cross, then we will buy big from there. Around our target is 175 level, and this area again to beat this level. We find a shape that it beat this lower low and find a double bottom. So we expect a find a triple bottom. So we expect a reverse from there around 300 or 400 pips. Our target area fast to 1.77. Then we will increase our target, but next week first target to beat 50 moving average. Then in will the price range will be 1.77 our next target. But at the opening bell of the market, do not buy or sell. Wait for a correction and give a setup for our big buy. So we will not sell Euro New Zealand. We will wait for our buy setup. Well, GBP USD, GBP CAD is try to break this level, and it's a very good shape now. You can see this shape. So price is bullish. If it retreat again from 50 moving average, we will buy big. Around our target area is D level yet to cross. So I am keep waiting to price reach to this level, and also our channel, top of our channel, this level. So guys, we may find a correction around 15 moving average, a drop. We will not sell this price. We will wait for reject from 15 moving average. Then our target is D level for next week to 1.75 level for GBP CAD. Well, GBP AUD is between the 50 and 200 moving average. We will wait for a breakout either in crossing 50 moving average for sell or 200 moving average for buy level. Just confirm our buy full body of a candle, yet to confirm any candle to beat this range, and price is a nice position, so we may expect a big breakout from up or down. So at present RSI in 53 level, and buy volume is increasing. So look at that, volume of buy is increasing, so we will wait for cross 200 for buy and 50 moving average for sell. Well, Euro JPY, I expect another fall. We will go from there, sell from there, Price goes for again to retest the breakout point. Now it will ready for another 1 or 200 pips for fall, and buyers are waiting for 200 moving or 50 moving average come to price and cross this level, then you can buy from there. Other than we expect a downtrend around 1.1 to 1 122 level, this level for our next sell setup. For GBP, JPY, I expect a drop around 200 moving average around this level. Then we can find a big buy from there. My price D is if it not touch, so I expect this level. Then we may find a movement to around this level again. And price is between 50 and 200 moving average. It may cross this level to hit this 1.37 level, then we will buy big for our next target 141 level for our big buy. So it's a nice position, so we will wait for price correction, then we will buy big this pair. Well, in New Zealand, we find a rejection from and our three drives pattern 1.227 level market and 200 moving average and 50 moving average is now come towards the price. So I also got the rejection from this level, and it's a nice position for buy setup. But if it cross this channel and to 50 moving average, then we will buy big this pair. And at present I find some rejection from there, so I might hope for a buy hook from this pair. So we will wait for cross first of all this channel, then we will buy our AUD New Zealand. Well, SP 500 and it's try to beat 50 moving average again and rejection from there. So we may expect a uptrend again. If it cross up again 15 moving average, we will buy from there. So price we will wait for XP 500 to find a rejection from 50 moving average. If it cross this level around 3570 level, 3570 80 level, then we will buy from there again. Well, thank you very much, guys. I have a training session now, so I will update in more in my uh, Facebook page and also the Telegram channel. So keep safe and keep trading and